Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features Halifax influencer Holly's housewife life. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
I am head over heels for this Cassie curve dress. We were just saying everything about this is perfection. I'm going to make a bold statement. It's giving me a little bit of a 90s vibe with its high neckline. So it's not bringing you back to Friends or Spice Girls, like a little Posh Spice with this high neckline. And what I love about the straps is the thick. So you could wear a bra under this, just line up your strap. But it has a little peekaboo surprise back here without being too much. We have a little tiny area to show your back. It's so pretty. Look at this. Take a peek. Has an elastic right here and then your little peekaboo. And then it's very slim fit through the hips and just a little ruffle at the edge. I'm in love. The Cassie curve. What? Like it's hard? This is the Elle Woods dress. I'm officially naming it that. It doesn't have an official name, but it is the Andre brand, and it is my favorite shade of pinks. We have tiered skirt, which is so lovely, so comfortable, but it's also fully lined, so it gives you no see-through. It gives you this comfortable layer underneath, and the straps. Let me tell you, I just had to do a couple of bra changes to get the best fit. So don't be afraid to play around with that. This totally changed the look when I wore a bra with straps. And the straps are thick enough that it covers. And that's my favorite kind of strap. Come on, Bruiser. I am in these Franza shorts. Franza has quickly become one of my favorite brands that the store has. It's just so comfortable, so beautiful, so classic. These shorts, I would call them a paper bag waist short because you can wear them a little higher. They have the scrunching and they have this little belt, but you can tie it as a bow. You can move this to the side. You can take it off completely. You can put your own belt with these. And they're a bit of a Bermuda length short. So these are interesting, aren't they? They hit above the knee. I think they're very pretty. But if you're interested, I really want to try on the same style, the same print in a shorter pair. So the interesting thing about these shorts is that from the smaller sizes to an XL, they come in a shorter length. And then in the curvier sizes, they come in this Bermuda. I am in the Happy Curve pant and they are making me so happy. As soon as I walked in the store, I saw this color pant and I said, I have to try that on. And I love it with this black. Okay, look, this is my Happy Curve. So cute. They fit so well. I'm in a 16. They have, of course, some nice big pockets. You can put your phone in, functioning front pockets. They have a double button at the waist here, which is nice. It just gives me like a nice supportive, won't stretch out feel. And then this top, look at this top. This is by Andre and it's the eyelet pattern. It has a little collar and the little ruffle on your sleeve. It's so pretty. It's so feminine. And I love it with the pop of color underneath. The Robel Marie Capri. These are just fabulous. There is a huge following for Robel pants, you know that. And capris are just hitting the spot for me lately. I don't know what it is. You know, me and pants, you got to try a lot to get the ones you really want, but these ones are so good. The Liberty Blue, it's a beautiful color, and I paired it with this adorable, stunning, I said I think I'm going to take this home with me, tank. So it's a little bit of a high neck, so it has that high neckline. There's a button at the back though, so there's lots of room, and it has the teeniest little straps, and it's got length, so you could wear it with a little tuck, can wear it with, you know, the length that you like to have a little coverage. Almost like just sly of being a dress on me. So I think with a pair of shorts, this would be absolutely beautiful.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.